I'm currently in the process of dechroming my 2022 Toyota Tundra. In my last few video uploads, we replaced the door handles, the window trim, and the front grille surround. In today's video, we're going to replace the rear bumper caps, and then in my next upload, we'll take care of the tailgate handle. The parts that we're using for this installation come from RevMoto. Provide links to each of their products in the description below, as well as install tutorials for each of these other items. The first step to removing these bumper caps is we've got to pull off this lower valence. So first we're going to take a socket wrench, and we've got two 10mm screws to remove, and another one on this side. Next we're going to take a flathead screwdriver here, pop it under the head of this clip and pull it out, and then we've got another one on this side. All right, so with those screws and clips out, we can just pull down on the valence and then pull out. Some clips at the top that just kind of push in. Bring it down the side here and pull that off. Next we're going to remove this clip on the bottom of the bumper cap. We've got one on both the driver and passenger side of the truck. Now we need to remove this top piece of the bumper to access 3 clips on the top of this bumper cap here. And this is held on with these little rubber wedges that push through holes at several locations on the underside of this bumper. I found the best way to remove this was to go in from underneath and use a set of pliers and kind of squeeze those little rubber wedges together so that they'd pop through. So I'll give you a look at that. So you'll see an example of one of those wedges right up here. Pull my hand out of the way, and then I'm going to bring the pliers in from the side here. This isn't the easiest way to access it, but it's the best way to get you guys a good camera angle. And I'm going to squeeze that wedge together, and then I'm pulling up on the bumper from the other side, and you can see that that is through now. So there's a total of about 6 of these wedges that need to come free, and you can see now from that angle that I've got a screwdriver on the top, and I'm kind of using that to gently lift up on the bumper as I squeeze these from this end. So you can see I just got another one, 2 more to go. And then we'll have access to get to those clips. So now on the top side, we're just gonna pull up this bumper cover, and you'll see we've got 3 clips that need to be removed. Again, we're gonna take our flathead screwdriver, gently pry under the center of that head, lift it up, and pull each of those out. All right, and with all 3 of those off the top, we can now pull off the bumper cap. And there is a little bit of a lip that tucks in under here, so you're gonna have to gently pull that out, and then there's also kind of a clip that goes straight in down here on the bottom. So be careful as you pull this out so you don't break it. There's a look at the back side. Here's the little piece that pushes through there, and then you'll see that we've got our little lip. Now we're ready to install the new bumper cap. Again, this lip right here is gonna have to go under this edge, and then this little hole right here is where that is going to pass through. So we're gonna go ahead and get that passed through, and then tuck our lip underneath there. Line up the 3 holes up here at the top for those plastic clips. And then we're gonna take each of those clips, push it down, and then pop down the top. With all of those in, we're gonna push down on the bumper here, pop each of those rubber wedges back into place. On the underside of our bumper cap, we're gonna take this clip here, pop that through, push in on the center, and then do the same thing on the other side with this whole bumper cap assembly. Next, we're ready to install this rear bumper valance. Again, we've got these clips along the top edge that insert here first, and then it kind of wraps around. Now on each side, we've got the 10mm screw. It's got to be reinserted. And one over here. And lastly, we've got 2 plastic clips that need to be inserted. So push that in, pop the head, and do the same thing right here. So with that, the bumper cap install is complete, and these new blueprint bumper caps look a lot better than the chrome takeoffs in my opinion.
If you guys have any comments or questions on the install, let me know in the comments section below. For more videos of the 2022 Toyota Tundra, be sure to subscribe. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.